Welcome to WGU Prep YouTube channel. Access all practice questions. Web Development Foundations. Practice questions with answers. Question 1. Which language is used to structure web pages? A. HTML language. B. CSS style. C. JavaScript code. D. SQL query. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. HTML language. Explanation. HTML provides the structure of a web page by defining elements such as headings, paragraphs, and images. Question 2. Which language is used to style web pages? A. HTML language. B. JavaScript code. C. SQL query. D. CSS style. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is D. CSS style. Explanation. CSS controls the appearance of web pages, including colors, layouts, and fonts, making content visually appealing. Question 3. Which language adds interactivity to web pages? A. HTML language. B. CSS style. C. SQL query. D. JavaScript code. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is D. JavaScript code. Explanation. JavaScript enables dynamic features such as animations, form validation, and user interactions on web pages. Question 4. What does a web browser do? A. Store files. B. Run server. C. Display pages. D. Write code. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Display pages. A web browser retrieves and displays web content, allowing users to view websites and interact with them. Question 5. Which tag is used to create a hyperlink in HTML? A. Link tag. B. Anchor tag. C. Script tag. D. Style tag. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Anchor tag. Explanation. The anchor tag is used to create hyperlinks that connect one web page to another or to external resources. Question 6. Which protocol is used to load web pages? A. FTP protocol. B. SMTP protocol. C. SSH protocol. D. HTTP protocol. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is D. HTTP protocol. Explanation. HTTP is the protocol used to transfer web pages from servers to browsers, enabling users to access websites. Question 7. What does CSS control on a web page? A. Data storage. B. Page structure. C. User input. D. Visual design. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is D. Visual design. Explanation. CSS manages the look and layout of web pages, including colors, fonts, and spacing. Question 8. Which element displays an image on a web page? A. Image tag. B. Paragraph tag. C. Heading tag. D. Form tag. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Image tag. Explanation. The image tag is used to embed and display images within a web page. Question 9. What is a URL used for? A. Store data. B. Identify address. C. Run scripts. D. Format text. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Identify address. Explanation. A URL specifies the address of a resource on the Internet, allowing browsers to locate and load web pages. Question 10. Which tool is used to test web pages during development? A. Code editor. B. Database tool. C. Network switch. D. Web browser. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is D. Web browser. Explanation. A web browser is used to test and preview web pages during development, ensuring they display and function correctly. Thank you for watching. For more practice questions, subscribe to our website at WGUPracticeQuestions.com.